Hey guys, it's Ashley here, and I'm gonna show you how I got this deep side part with directional waves. I used the 1.25-inch clip barrel from the T3 Switch Kit Wave Trio. Let's get started.
Starting off, we're gonna do a deep side part, and we're gonna go ahead and clip this top section up out of the way. Using 1-inch parts, we're gonna curl everything towards our face. I love the ceramic coating on the barrel. It helps my hair glide through so easily. Continuing with this method, we're gonna go up to our next section, still curling everything towards our face. This 1.25-inch barrel is perfect for this type of look. I also love that this curling iron lets me pick my heat setting. I love a low setting to protect the integrity of my silver hair. It's so important to me. Continuing up with our last section, we're gonna still go forward. Trust the process. I know we sometimes think to curl away from our face, but we're gonna curl everything forward. Then we're gonna let these waves cool down. Once they're cooled down, we take our wide tooth comb to kind of put them all together in a beautiful wave, tease a little bit in the crown, and then you get this gorgeous, glamorous look.
And that's it. That's how you achieve this look.